I think we have found the worst Super Bowl commercial in the history of the Super Bowl. Let me explain. In a night filled with AI and gambling ads, we have one ad that stuck out as the worst. And that was the AI-generated Svedka ad. Here's a little clip if you missed it. This is AI slop at its best. This ad was actually made by the same people who made the Coca-Cola Christmas ad, which was also AI generated. And this just looks horrible. I don't get it. Why would you ever want to drink Svedka after that? What part of that ad makes you want to drink Svedka? They spent $10 million just to air that ad. Why would you not spend another $3 million to make a competent commercial instead of just pooping out some AI slop? And it sucks because this commercial was played right after Bad Bunny's halftime show. So we go from something really good to something really shit. Super Bowl commercials being something that people are excited for is dead. All those sucked last night, but this one was definitely the worst.